Breaking news coming in. When it comes to justice for 2611 victims, the United States has urged one of its courts to deny 2611 accused requests against extradition to India. Now, the Biden administration has urged a court in California to deny the writ of habeas corpus filed by Pakistani-origin Canadian businessman Tahawwur Rana and reiterated that he be extradited to India, where he is sought for his involvement for the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks. A United States court had approved Rana's extradition to India back in May, and Rana is currently being detained at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Los Angeles. The United States respectfully requests that the court deny Rana's petition for a writ of habeas corpus. That is what has been said by E. Martin Estrada, the U.S. attorney for the Central District, California, in his petition, which was filed before the U.S. District Court for the Central District of California. Remember, almost 15 years on, India continues to await its chance to bring the perpetrators of 2611 to justice. We're crossing over to our foreign affairs correspondent, Abhishek Jha, for more. Abhishek, over to you.
So we know that it could be a major breakthrough if Tahawwur Rana is extradited to India. The court has already given permission for his extradition. Now the U.S. government has also said that they have no objection for his extradition. But there are challenges still, because Tahawwur Rana's lawyers, they are trying to defend his case in U.S. courts on two accounts. First is that he's been already acquitted in the similar charges that Indian agencies are seeking custody of him on those charges. So that is one reason, and as per the extradition law, if the same charges, either the culprit has been convicted or he's been acquitted, he cannot be extradited. Another account is that most likely all the evidences that Indian agencies and Indian government has given to US for his extradition are not sufficient base that can seek his extradition to India. So these are the two accounts on which his extradition is being protested by their lawyers in the judiciary. But now it looks like the judiciary side and the government side, both in the US, are keen on sending him to India for the prosecution for his role in 2611 Mumbai terror attack.
But now that the US government has stepped into this, how soon could we see that extradition to India take place?
There is still some legal hassle because his lawyers are still trying to fight his case so that he is not sent to India. We'll have to see whether the higher judiciary in US, what kind of decision they take. For now, we know that he's in the detention center, and the government of USA is not, keen on keeping him there, and they are willing to send him to extradite him to India. But now it's just a judiciary process, and likely they will take a call anytime soon.
All right, Abhishek, thank you so much for joining us and bringing us those details. We'll continue to track the developments when it comes to this story.